In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to access our Microsoft Office Suite Premium version and also the same as our Windows Premium version. Example, if you look at this, you get to see that here it's saying activate Windows, all right? And if you also look at our window, our Microsoft Word is telling us to activate. And in order to be able to use the Pro version, we have to do this, follow this process, all right? So first thing we need to do, if you look at this, first thing we need to do is to come to this position, copy this script that you will be seeing on your desktop. All right, this script, this you are seeing here, copy it, and then make sure that you have internet access. You are connected to the internet by selecting this portal, then connect. If you see, mine is already connected. All right, so when you are done, right click on this, or better still, click on this. Just click on your Windows icon, type PowerShell. All right. I would have used the shortcut method, but I just have to do it this way so that every other person will be able to know how to do that themselves. Now, when you type PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Now, accept, click Yes. You are allowed to load. Now, while we are waiting for it, please, everything you're going to be doing here is going to be patient, okay? Now, the next thing you need to do is to paste that script you copied and click Enter. Okay, now if you start reading this response on the web, all right, so all you need to do is to be patient and wait for it to execute. Now we are waiting for it. All this is to enable us to have access to our premium version. All right, now this premium version process is of two methods. Either you're going to be using this method or you're going to be using your student's academic email address. All right, now your student academic email address gives you complete access to using Microsoft licensed key. All right. So now here, the next thing you need to do if you want to activate your Word, you just click on number 2. All right. But first, we want to activate our window. So we're going to click on number 1 and allow it to run its processing. Okay, if you look at this, you get to see that the Windows activation is no longer here, right? And it has already told you that this is installed permanently. So what we need to do is to click on any key and do the same for the Office, which is the one we are looking at for in order to access the premium version. Click on number 2. Once you click on number 2, you have to click on number 1 to install. All right, click on number 1 on your keyboard. And once you do that, you see that your Office also will be activated. All right, once you see this up here, it gets to be that your Microsoft Office is now in a premium version mode. So you just go ahead and start using it. So even if it stops you out the way while you were supposed to be using it to do your assignment or any other thing, now you have access to a premium version of the Microsoft Office suite. Okay. So all you need to do now is click on any key, click 0 in order to exit, and then you can close this. All right. Now that is just the easiest way to get this done. Then the other second aspect of it, which is if you don't want to use this method, okay, now watch the next video and get to see how you can easily make use of your account, which is your academic account, in order to be able to use the premium version of the Microsoft Word Office suite. All right, thank you. See, no reasons I can type and do anything I want to do.